What's going on, YouTube? I'm James.
I'm Isaac.
And today we got a couple jobs that we wanted to take you on the ride with. So it is 34 degrees outside right now. It's windy.
9 o'clock in the morning.
So it's going to be cold and fun. But
Yeah.
we got this. So we got a house wash, deck wash, 2 roof wash, and a house, and then a garage is basically a house wash. So we're gonna see if we can get it all done today, hopefully. Let you guys kind of see the process.
Let's get it done.
Get her done. Okay, well, we just lost, well, not,
He canceled. We got there and he canceled. What are we doing now?
we're gonna go do some roof washing.
That's right. We're gonna wait till it's a little bit warmer. He wasn't very comfortable, so that's fine. You just check with your customer, make sure they're okay. But he was a little concerned because it was about 30 degrees. Well, actually, it's like 34. But that's fine. We'll put it off a couple weeks as long as they're okay with it, and we'll be back.
And it just makes it a lot better because they're happier. And yeah, we're out here, we're ready to do the job, but we also have another job to do, so we'll just work on that, getting that knocked out, and then we'll come back.
Yeah, so the day's not wasted.
Nope, not wasted, just not as profitable as it was, but that's fine. It's cold as shit out. All right, so let's get to the roof washes so we can show you that. All right, we're here at the job site, getting the trailer all set up, ready to go. And we're going to show you what's going on with this lovely job. So the garage, which is a detached garage, kind of see all the green algae there. Got the nice big old hill. And over here, this side's pretty bad. Gotta watch where I'm walking. And then this is the house. Kind of see what's going on there. Since we're down here, we'll go ahead and look at this side of the house. Good old drop off right there. We're not doing the deck, so we don't have to worry about the deck. Just the house. And we'll go back up this way. So, see all the green right there. Luckily the sockets have got a nice cover. Nice green there. There's another view of the house. Might get a good picture of that. And then the side of this house, which is not too bad. Gutters are kind of nasty. This side of the house, which is not bad at all. And then just we'll wash up in here. Nothing too bad. Beautiful view out here on the lake. 34 degrees. All right. Okay, now I'll show you the roof. Look at all that moss. And some big patches of moss right there. little bit right there. Bunch of black stains. So this is the house roof. There's the garage. Kind of see what's dealing with over there. So we're going to start with the roof. Isaac's still getting the trailer all set up. So I'm going to go down, help him, and then we'll come up here and get this sprayed. Isaac and I are wearing our PPE. If you're doing roof washing, you want to make sure you're wearing a respirator, as the chemical gets really strong. So making sure we get a nice even coat on everything. You can see the moss is growing up on the gutter line. And the gutter guard's right there. Alright, so it's been a couple minutes since we sprayed this. You can kind of see that the moss is turning white, which means it's dying, and brown. See, look at that. So, not treated, treated. You can kind of see big difference already. It's killing that moss, and that's what we want. We almost got one side all washed up. Isaac's spraying like a madman. It's looking good though. It's looking good. Good job, Isaac. It's looking good. Thumbs up. It's looking good. Look at that. Look at that. Looks good. Here we go for roof 2. See the other roof. And we got this one. This one's not nearly as bad. That's good. How's it doing his thing? Look at these gutters. Just gonna check these gutters out. Look at that. like that. Gutters clean. Let's go look at that. So as you guys are doing your estimate, or especially when you first get to the job, you always want to do a walk around, do some videos, pictures, at least some pictures, because that busted window, that was there before we even got there. So, but we did let the client know, say, hey, you know, you got a busted window, sent the picture, and she's like, oh yeah, I knew that was already there, so no big issues. But if we did not say that, and if they didn't know it was there, guess who's gonna probably be paying it? You got it. We would have been paying for that window replacement. So, always, right, Isaac?
Always do a walk around, even video you walking around is best, or definitely take pictures if nothing else.
Yes, because it's all about protecting yourself, and you can get good advertisement from showing them before and afters anyways. So it's always good to make sure you are checking all areas before you start your job, because you never know what a house may have a busted window, or a siding already fallen off or something, and you don't want to be responsible for any of that. So you want to make sure you know what it looks like prior to you starting and after, so that way there's no questions if you did it or not. Alright, well, we just got done doing those 2 roofs and the garage and the house. Isaac's driving, and we got us a nice meal. My phone died, so I couldn't walk you guys around the place, but we did take some pictures. A little longer than what we expected, but temperature was, like I said, 34 degrees, and the SH was taking a little bit longer to dwell than what we wanted. So
Back to the house, you had to walk on a hill that was like this.
the good thing is, so we've already sent the invoice to the client. We've never even met this client. She reached out to us, and all through text message, sent the invoice, and she's already paid us, and she's already pretty much told us that we're going to be washing her deck, so, and staining it. So we kind of got 2 more jobs out of this, so that's pretty awesome. You guys got some comments? Leave them down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, guys. Later, everyone.
Later.